So this is called Explain EDU. Okay, Explain EDU. What you can do with Explain EDU, you can sign up for free. And let's say you want to create a video. So the first thing is you have three different options here. You can either start with a blank slate, just like a regular background color, whatever you'd like. If you want to import some kind of template, so again, whether it's a whiteboard, green chalkboard, any type of kind of the templates that they already have established here, you could use. Or let's say you wanted a file. You could import a file from Google Drive, from your computer. There's many different ways in which you can import different files from. So just for now, let's say we did a blank slate. So here is what it looks like. Over on the left-hand side, you have a bunch of different objects, like different pen colors. You could change the thickness of the pen color. You have highlighters, an eraser, paint can. If you wanted to import some kind of shape or text, you could do that. If you were looking for a laser pointer, you have a laser pointer as well. So let's say we wanted to talk about an equation here. So let's say we're looking at x plus 7 equals 9. Now, depending on the type of tablet that maybe you do have, I would absolutely recommend this with an iPad. It is phenomenal, and if you have an iPad, maybe you have a little bit to invest in an Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil writes phenomenally on the iPad. Even though, as you see here, this really isn't all too bad either, and I'm just using my mouse and clicking and holding in order to do that as well. So whatever you have the resources for, whatever you feel most comfortable with, there are lots of different options out there. So what I can also do here that is really sets it apart is the narration down here. I can record myself doing the lesson, and I can also have the students listening to me as I'm doing it. So if I hit the record button, it would record my voice. I could then continue what I was doing. Okay, to solve for x, we're going to subtract 7 on both sides. I can change colors then if I wanted to show they cancel out in a different color. And we have x equals 2. Now this is really great if you had, say, a PDF file of your note worksheet or homework worksheet and you wanted students to follow along. You had already printed it out, you already gave it to them. You can upload that and you can work directly on the worksheet. I think it is perfect. Once you're done finished with your video, you could come up here to the export button and you can export it to various places. You could upload it directly to Google Classroom or to a Google Drive or to Edpuzzle.